Hey there, today I'm going to share travel tips that I shared on the local news station here in Houston. I was able to be on their talk show in the middle of the afternoon. I was so excited, but I also got to share travel tips with people in Houston on how to pack less. And there were some important holiday tips as well. It's just a 6-minute video, but they give a little intro about me. And I want to tell you that my hands were shaking the most when I held up my most frequently asked question item about travel. So be sure to tune in for that.
And is a local pilot's wife who has garnered millions of views on her YouTube channel, showing regular folks like us to travel the globe without a worry in the world.
I love that. That's what I want. And today she joins us with her top packing tips to take the stress out of flying during Thanksgiving week, which, as we know, is a very stressful time to travel. So many people get in the airways. So, Laurie, welcome to Houston Life, and thanks for sharing your tips with us.
Thanks.
Yeah, so it's so easy to just want to cram everything into your bag, throw it all in, but there's a much more efficient way to do that.
Yes, I say just pick a method, whichever is faster and easier for you. I've rolled clothes in this packing cube, and then I've folded clothes, which is my packing method of choice. And that one, but I have 13 outfits in there, and I've only packed 6 tops.
13 outfits.
13 outfits?
13 outfits, plus my cute airport outfit.
Okay, everybody needs a good travel outfit.
Right.
And my number one packing tip so that you pack less is to only pack 2 pairs of shoes.
Oh, great, Laurie, I'm out.
Shoes do not have to be packed together.
Okay.
And you're going to make every shirt and pants, jeans match with those 2 pairs of shoes, but do not forget about your airport outfit pairs of shoes.
So you get a bonus then. So
Yes.
only 3 pairs of shoes are coming with you.
Right. So you've packed less, but you've multiplied the outfits that now you can wear. And I've also packed a little shirt and sweater in this compression cube and some unmentionables, but I'm going to pull that out and look how much space is in there.
Right.
But in case that carry-on bag gets checked last minute because the overhead bins are full because of winter coats usually, I have a couple of days worth of clothes in this little packing cube, but I also have all that space for more things to pack.
It is genius, and I know there's simple tips here, but you also recommend the cubes. I mean, that's really, if you don't have this, this is what you need.
Yes, they squeeze and smush and squish and compress
And I
the
find
air.
they also help you stay organized too. You can kind of keep
Yes.
everything together, like items with like items. A lot
Yes, if
easier.
you have kids, they can each have a different pattern or color cube, stuff like that.
What
I'm
about your
always
toiletries?
the
Yes.
toiletries.
Well, the toiletries, like if you have a hanging toiletry kit, you can pack it like this, but to me that's bulky, so pack it flat. And I think that would help you. You've
Genius.
got that much more space. A rolled case is meant to be rolled up for travel. Unroll it and pack it flat. Then you've got that little bit of space to pack more
And that's easy to put
things.
your carry-on too, if you need to do that. Mhm.
Yes. And then after like 10 years of flying standby as a pilot's wife, I learned that if you pack your containers horizontally, you can fit more in. I don't know how, but in the stores, they're always standing up.
Standing
so
up,
cute,
yeah.
But you can fit more containers in that way.
Okay, now here's the thing. You mentioned this about your cute airport outfit, your travel outfit as being sort of the bonus. There's a few things that you say to stay away from for that travel
Yes,
outfit.
especially at Christmas and in Texas with all of our bling. Stay away from sequins, just pack them. You may make the alarm go off, which is going to delay you getting to your vacay. So I wore this on Christmas Day, got totally pulled out of line. Also the gold threading in the Christmas socks. That
I
can
never knew
also
that.
make the alarm go off. It's just little tweaks that you might not know of that are simple tips to share.
That's great. And Laurie, what's the number one question that you get from people that you're helping with packing?
So many people ask me if baby wipes, wet wipes, antibacterial wipes nowadays
There's a
are
wipe for
liquids.
everything, yeah.
And they are not liquids. You can pack them in any container, pack them anywhere in your bags, and the TSA does not need to see them. But one of the shocking things is that peanut butter is considered a liquid. So it needs to go in your liquids bag in a container that's 3.4 ounces or smaller. Or slap it on some bread and call it a sandwich.
Yeah,
And you can
eat
take it
it,
in any,
Yeah,
any kind
another one of
container.
those things that makes us scratch our heads a little bit.
Yes.
Listen, let's talk a little bit about your YouTube channel. You kind of fell into this. Of course, you're a pilot's wife. And you have more than 16 million views on your channel, over 20 years of frequent flying with your husband.
make many mistakes.
Right, and this just kind of started as for you to like tell people what to do, and then it took off.
Yes, and I was an elementary school teacher for almost 10 years. So it's being creative and teaching and helping people in the same way. So it's been so much fun. I've made so many mistakes.
Well, we all have, and that's called life, right?
Yes.
But I also feel like I'm so enamored with people who can carry on their luggage, because I am not one of them. I shared this with you. I had to go visit my dad in Chicago, so a quick trip. And only because we weren't doing anything. So I was able to bring minimal things, but it's an exercise for me.
Yes, yes. Even the little dinky bracelets made the alarm go off. And a belt. So now I don't even wear any jewelry until I get to through airport security.
And I love sharing this information because the more people who know this information, the faster those lines will go through.
Yes, people get so worried about going through airport security. You're not going to make them mad. They just may pull you over to the side. My coffee always gets pulled out of line, and I have to wait because it blocks the screener from seeing something precious and cute in my bag for some reason.
Well, these are all great tips. Again, the travel cubes, take your toiletry kit flat, roll them out, especially as you just talked about with the jewelry case, all the things that us ladies have to travel with. These are all wonderful tips.
Yes, I hope they help.
They
And
do.
on your YouTube channel. Yes.
What now?
You can find it on your YouTube channel.
Yes, Travel Tips by Laurie.
Could you tell my hands were shaking? When I held up the wet wipes, my hands were shaking so badly, and I wasn't nervous once the camera came on, but my hands would not stop shaking. The producer for that segment called me on the phone during dinner time, and we talked about how to focus and how to really choose tips to share with people that would help them pack less in a carry-on suitcase. So I think she did a great job of helping me give quality content so that the co-hosts were not wasting their time and the audience who were watching Houston Life were not wasting their time by watching my little 6-minute segment. This is not sponsored, but I want to say thank you to Yvonne at Ann Taylor in the Woodlands Mall, because she helped me pick out this shirt to be on TV to really stand out against the light blue background. And she also is the one who helped me pick my outfit for the very first news appearance when I was on the morning show on Fox 26. She was so helpful, and she knows about quality, solid things for being on TV. And y'all, this blouse is fantastic. I'm wearing a size large and I'm size 10. I want to show you the back of it. It's like a knit that does not cling to you. So if you need a dressy blouse, I will link it below. And I'll also have a new packing tip video for you where I test rolling versus folding, and I will have that in the paragraph below, right above the travel shirts that I designed. You will click on the word in that little sentence, show more or read more. There might be a little caret over here that will get you to all of those links and other information. I'll also put some other travel tip videos down there for you, some TSA line tips that will help you. All right, thanks for your time. I really appreciate your support.